O2B Kids parents. We know that you want to see what your child gets up to every day here at O2B. That's why we have Honeycomb for you. Honeycomb is our secure, web-based program that is full of updates and photos to share what we love at school with who we love at home. With Honeycomb, you can see real-time updates on your child's daily activities. Let's meet the Colgrove family. They have an infant, Genevieve, and a 3-year-old child, Penelope, enrolled in preschool. When the Colgrove family enrolled their 2 children, they received a family login for their Honeycomb portal, which is connected with Beekeeper. They will have access on their child's first day of school. Their Honeycomb login is linked to the primary caregiver's email. To set up a login, head to honeycomb.o2bkids.com and click Forgot Password. A password reset email will be sent to the same email address used for the parent portal. We recommend adding this site to your bookmark bar on your computer. Now that we're logged in, let's see how we can easily access it on our phones. Honeycomb is a web-based program, but there's an easy way to add it to your mobile phone's home screen. On iPhone, open up Safari and head to honeycomb.o2bkids.com. Click the Share button at the bottom of the page. Scroll through the options to find one that says Add to Home Screen. A new screen will pop up showing the name and icon. Click Add in the top right-hand corner and you're done. On Android, there are 2 different methods. One method is locating a bar at the bottom of the screen that says Add Honeycomb to Home Screen. The other method is to open the menu on the top right-hand corner and click Add to Home Screen. Now that we're all set up, let's see what Honeycomb does for baby Genevieve. Your infant's teacher will track all bottle feedings and diaper changes. When Genevieve moves up in preschool, her teachers will also track potty training and bathroom attempts. At any time during the day, from anywhere, you can log on and see what your child has been up to. Genevieve's teacher can also send messages such as running low on diapers or reminders for special events and dress-up days. The Colgroves can see all of this information in the Reports section of Genevieve's Honeycomb. They can also access her moments and memos in the Portfolio section. Let's explore the Portfolio section more by switching from baby Genevieve to her 3-year-old sister, Penelope. Now that we're in Penelope's portal, we can see the same options, but from Penelope's teachers. Penelope still has a report section, but this area is most commonly used for infants and younger children. Most of Penelope's updates will be under Portfolio. Here, we can see Moments and Memos. Moments showcase your child during their lesson, including the exact lesson standards and skills they're developing. Here, we can also see Memos. These can include fun images of your child that aren't lesson specific, any notices for the whole school, event reminders, inclement weather updates, field trip info, and more. You will also receive an email to your primary caregiver's email address anytime a memo or moment is sent out. The final area under each child's Honeycomb is the Badges section. Badges are like a virtual sticker. Students can earn them for learning new skills, participating in fun events, activities in the classroom, or even as part of our Focus Skills Fun. In this section, you'll also see the Learning Days. Learning Days are how many days your child has been in the program with us. It's exciting to see that number grow. Now that the Colgroves have set up and explored their children's Honeycomb, it's your turn. Don't forget, you can access Honeycomb on your computer or your mobile device. If you have any questions or issues accessing your Honeycomb account on your child's first day, reach out to your school's director.